Hi, this is Richard from SleepHaven. Just showing you on commercial carpet cleaning. We're in Burntwood of all places, which I know is nowhere near Weedon, but we get called for a lot of our clients for large offices around the country. Anyway, we're here doing large sort of factory offices where they do moulding for car parts, that kind of thing. So when they're coming in off the shop floor, they've got very dirty, rubbery boots and they're making lots of black marks on the carpet. So if you have a look here, I'm just showing you here how dirty it is where they're coming in and out of this office here, walking through. We're just cleaning, and if Dan looks over, started cleaning this area and we're working our way back. What we're doing, we're using this Rotovac 360. So we're just using this, we've pre-sprayed, agitated using an agitation machine, giving it some dwell time, but we're using a solution particular for this sort of type of carpet tile and the soil that we're dealing with. We use it quite a lot in smoke restoration, that type of thing. So what I'm going to do is just going to turn the machine on and you can have a quick look to see how it works. Zoom in, you can see all the dirt being extracted up through the hose here, and you can just see the difference we're making to these carpet tiles. Turn that off. You can hear me now. So that's just a couple of quick minutes. Obviously I don't want to bore you with a video, but you can see the difference we've made. So if you've got commercial property, got large offices, anything like that, give us a call on 01327 342 594. We're happy to help and give you a free quotation for your commercial carpet cleaning. Take care.